Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the fuse and the relay for the integrated chassis control module are located, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free. For your convenience, please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them, guys, completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well, guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So the integrated chassis control module, fuses, relays, where you can expect to find them, guys, we will demonstrate on this here generation Chevy Tahoe and Chevy Suburban. Both are built on the same platform, guys, so it should apply to both. The main difference is the Suburban is longer. Now, quick reminder, most people that have an SUV like this one do not know that they have many hidden fuse boxes. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chevy Tahoe and Chevy Suburban. What we need to do today, open the hood. Lucky for us, we'll be working easy to access fuse box. You need to come to the driver's side. See, there's a brake fluid reservoir next to it, is that easy to access fuse box. Remove the cover and you'll get to a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, here what we need to check, we need to first start by checking one fuse and where that fuse is located. If you come in that row of fuses here, this is fuse we don't have that one, but you still count the spot. Fuse number 20, 21, 22, 23. That 10M fuse that you see right here, that's fuse 23, guys, okay, right here. That fuse, that will be the one that you will need to check. What about relay? Specifically for that function, you don't have a relay. You need to check the powertrain control module relays or the engine computer relays, guys. But specifically, it will be practically only the fuse controlling that system. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. Fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck, guys, in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.